The winner.
Who?
Read the cards.
Okay.
Do you want me to read the cards?
Yeah,
you gotta
this
read
is
the
what we all think of, Amanda.
I have a bubbly personality. I love the beach. I giggle a lot, and I love to gossip.
Should we let the rest of us cheat and read the cards?
Yes, I think we want to read the cards.
All right, go ahead, Marcel.
Good listener. Knows every inch of the mall. Who gave me this? Who gave me this?
I didn't give you that.
And loves to read.
Okay. I'm superstitious. I'm going to anchor network news. And hates the color pink. That's my favorite color.
Okay, I got...
This is your
That's
shirt.
my shirt.
I got feisty, graceful, I don't know where that came from. Has a thing about shoes that's totally wrong. I have like 2 pairs of shoes. And wild imagination.
I have acting talent.
And that
If
one.
this is mine, I'm very confident. Okay.
Yeah, that is
Do we have any more phone
Are those
calls?
two yours too?
No.
Oh, no, those are
No,
hers.
those are
She threw them.
Marcella's. She threw.
Oh.
Are we
Any
off?
more?
Any more people on my podcast?
Do we have any more phone calls?
Hello?
Hello?
Hey, how y'all doing?
Who's
We're
this?
shaking.
Hey, this is Joe. Hey, I got a question for the whole group. Any of you guys ever gotten a jelly donut?
Yeah.
No, you know what a jelly donut is, right?
What's that?
It's when, like, you're getting oral sex.
Is that it?
They cut him off.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay.
I wanted to...
I'm like, because that's really boring.
Anyone?
Hello, everybody. Hello.
Hello?
How are you guys this evening?
Good, how
Hey,
are
what's
you?
up?
I'm curious. The guys that call in, are they always interested in the guys and not the ladies that are sitting there?
Usually.
Hard to say.
They're
I think
obsessed
this
with...
guy's lucky. He gets to sit there in a dress in front of 4 beautiful women. What a great deal.
Thank you. You're the best caller yet.
Well, you guys have fun tonight, okay?
Thanks.
We'll try.
You too.
Good night.
Good night. He was
What a
super
polite
caller.
gentleman.
Sweet. Is that a 40? Come on, Jared, pump it. Pump it for the people at home. Look at Jared go, Tiffany. Look at Jared. The tweaker. Get the cheers. It's gonna be a wild, mad, crazy orgy. Orgy on the dance floor. Orgy on the dance floor. Pump harder. Come on, fool. You know you can do it. Put some strength into it. Let's see some elbow grease. Elbow grease. There you go. Get angry at it. Damn it, Mom. oh, turn the butter. Hurry up, it's funny. Work it, girl, work it. Make it pay.
man. I like your polka dots. You look like a little cat. Meow. Yeah, but no offense to the nice, polite guy who just called, but he needs to stay off the cocaine.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
I'll take offense.
You know what I'm saying, Woody?
How can anyone not?
Spit that, juvenile. Spit the floor.
I think you've been lighting the crap pipe a little too much, brother.
Under 18 or something.
Hey, this is the director right now. This is the voice of God. This is what the camera people give me. They give me the crotch shots. I don't have anything else to go with. If you don't like it, change the channel.
We stand by our crotch shots. We speak for crotch. The people want crotch. We give them crotch. We are the voice of crotch. The crotch is the future, and crotch is here and now.
What does crotch say?
Crotch is beautiful, and it says hello. And that's all for today's show. We're going to roll the credits, and
Run, hurry up!
Who is that?
Dude, get the video camera. Hey, unplug that and go tape them. Unplug that and go tape them. And we're going to roll the credits, and we're going to hear the theme song.
Peace out.
Bye.
Bye.
I want to see who that is.